Did you know you can replace countertops without replacing cabinets? It's true. This clever approach to kitchen renovation allows you to preserve the charm of your existing kitchen while saving you both time and money. By focusing solely on the countertops, you're able to reduce renovation time and keep a significant portion of your budget intact. But it's also worth noting that a full renovation, while more extensive, can offer greater design flexibility, resolve any functional issues, and certainly enhance the longevity of your kitchen. So, if you're interested in a budget-friendly and less disruptive kitchen refresh, stick around. Before you dive into countertop replacement, there are a few things to consider. One of the main factors to deliberate is sink compatibility. If you're planning to keep your existing sink, the new countertop must accommodate its size and style. The countertop material also needs to harmonize with the existing cabinets. Whether you're eyeing granite, quartz, or marble, it's essential that the new countertop enhances, rather than clashes, with your kitchen's character. Now, these considerations might sound a bit overwhelming, and that's where professional guidance comes in. Consulting with experts who specialize in countertop replacement can help you navigate these decisions, ensuring a seamless integration with your existing kitchen layout. They can provide valuable insights into materials, design, and installation, helping you avoid costly mistakes and unnecessary complications. Remember, the key to a successful countertop replacement lies in careful planning and professional consultation. Replacing countertops without touching cabinets can give your kitchen a fresh new look. We've explored the ins and outs of this process, highlighting the significant cost savings, the preservation of your kitchen's unique character, and the reduced renovation time. We've also delved into the importance of sink compatibility and ensuring the coherence of materials used. It's clear that while this approach is economical and minimally disruptive, it also requires thoughtful planning and consideration. That's why consulting with professionals, such as those at Northwest Stone Fabricators, can ensure a seamless integration of your new countertops into your existing kitchen layout. So, if you're a homeowner in Washington looking to spruce up your kitchen, why not consider replacing your countertops? It's a cost-effective and less disruptive way to enhance your space.